Currently, we have completed over 19,000 kilometers of recently built 4 or 6 lane highways. These highways connect many of our manufacturing, commercial and cultural centers. But having said that, India still lags behind many countries in terms of construction of roads as well as the safety of our roads. GR Infra is a surface transportation infrastructure company that is paving the way to achieve two things: zero accidents through smoother roads and zero interruptions through zero maintenance in the long term.
This is Kailash Chansani. He's among India's countless truck drivers who spend most of their life on the road, transporting goods to and fro, eating their meals on the go. All so that business, commerce and transport in India never stops. What are also Kailash's constant companions on his journey are potholes, broken and bad roads.
कोटा शेर शिकर झोंझणू रिंगस चढ़ावा पिलानी यहाँ माल लेते हैं कोटा स्टोर। तो कोटा से चलते हैं तो वहाँ कोटा की तरफ से परेशानी आती है। ये पूरा जिंदगी रोड पे ही जा रहा है, पर रोड खराब हो रही है ना।
Heavy traffic, an increasing number of vehicles added on the same roads each year, and constant wear and tear have ensured that roads in India need close attention.
To maintain the pace of the Indian development, the economical development in the country, better roads are very important. So with the current state, it requires a lot of improvements and a lot of upgradation.
Most highway roads in India are built with bitumen, using different kinds of aggregates. And this is where the X factor for the durability of roads in India comes in. Bitumen is mixed with polymers to enhance the durability and strength of roads to make polymer modified bitumen. DuPont collaborates with major road construction companies like IL&FS and GR Infra projects to pave the way for an India where smooth and durable roads are a reality.
We supply a family of products which are used for bitumen modification in the road industry. Bitumen is also commonly known as dambar or coal tar to a lot of us. Bitumen by itself is not a very strong material. It gets mixed with sand and stone, which is again laid on the road on which we all ride. DuPont's polymers help enhance the properties of bitumen so that the bitumen is more flexible. And what that means is the roads are now capable of taking more vehicular roads and are more consistent when they are exposed to a wide variety of temperatures.
Nestled in the picturesque Aravalis in the heart of Rajasthan is this part of the Ringas-Sikar highway road which is being built. Leading road construction company GR Infra Projects is the contractor for this stretch. And while they have pan-India road projects, each region they maintain has its own particular challenges.
The climatic variations across the country, it differs. One is the climatic variation. Talk of Kashmir, it varies from, -5 degree, -10 degree to it goes up to 30 degree, 25 degree. So that is one parameter. Second is now the axle load, which normally is specified in the Indian Road Congress. It says 7 ton or 9 ton. And roads are designed for that. But if you see the actual movement on the roads, there is no check on the overloading part. So if you don't have a check on the overloading part, you tend to, defeat the road design which has been considered to make that road.
GR Infra Projects has used DuPont science through Alloy to build highways like these in India, which ensure minimum damage to the roads while at the same time maximizing the durability.
Alloy is a reactive elastomeric terpolymer. It has a unique chemistry, and what this uniqueness does is it helps easy mixing or blending of this polymer into bitumen. which again means that it's very easy for transportation and it's easy from an application standpoint whenever contractors and other people in the road construction industry try to use this material for road construction.
Good metal for this road construction is necessary. That's why we are using DuPont alloy in our bitumen, which is improve our bitumen life, and that's why the road life is automatically increased.
This is the Tikidar facility in Halol, Gujarat, where the polymer modified bitumen is manufactured at a central blending unit and then sent for supply to road construction companies. The quest is to give Kailash and the billions of Indians who travel by road a safe and a comfortable ride, and at the same time providing a solution for minimum road maintenance.
Every 5 years, if you are going to renew the road, probably you are using lot of aggregate, you are using lot of natural resources. But if you defer your renewal period, if that is possible, nothing like it.
To me, Power of Shunya in this context is all about zero repairs and maintenance. With new material technologies and the new experiences that we can bring to road construction and the way materials are applied on the road, we will slowly but steadily move towards a stage where we are much better and superior when it comes to developing roads that are less susceptible to repairs and maintenance.
The dream of an upwardly mobile India will remain just a dream if it comes at the risk of your safety on the road and the polluting cities we live in. Through this episode, we have brought you face to face with 3 companies whose mission is to make vehicles more energy efficient and pave the way for safe roads. From building a safe network on highways to the vehicles that ply on those roads, these companies believe it is possible to have the best of both the worlds. More cars on safer roads with lesser emission. That is the power of Shunya. If you too have an innovation that is solving or has the potential to solve some of the biggest problems we are facing today, you can write into us at powerofshunya13@timesgroup.com. This could earn you a chance to feature on this show. Until next week, it's me, Anupam Kher, saying goodbye. Stay inspired.
Our quest for zero continues on the Power of Shunya next week. Meet a company that is purifying water to save precious human lives. Another that's solving the problem of chronic water shortage in water-starved states. And a textile company that's showing the way in minimizing water wastage in a water-guzzling industry.
दुनिया से आंखें चुरा के जहां अपने